So to be honest with you, I wasn't expecting to find power tool deals, and they're actually pretty good. We're going to save you some money today. Before we do, I just got to ask you, if you could smash the like button if this video helps you, share it out with your friends. They'll like you a lot more. If you're not Mr. Beast on YouTube, they don't share you out. So I'm asking you, please, get this out to your friends, your family, your loved ones, because we're going to save you some money. So this is the first one up right here. This is the Milwaukee M18. This is the dual rapid charger. Now this came out not too long ago, but not only are you going to get the dual rapid charger, you're going to get two 5AH batteries with this, and all of the links are in the description below. This right here is $199. Usually this thing would run you $349. You're saving 42% off. That's a pretty nice buy, especially in January. So let's move it along. Now here's another one, and this one here usually runs around $150 by itself. This is the Milwaukee Top Off, and as you can see, we're doing Milwaukee first. We'll move it on to more tool brands, but here's the better deal. If you were to buy this Milwaukee Top Off on sale right now, you can get this. Let me click on this right here. You're going to get the bat ray. This is the 5AH bat ray, and you're going to get the top off for $150. Usually the top off runs $150 by itself. So excellent for charging. You got your USBs, all kind of stuff on here. It's a really, really good tool. A lot of people love this, charging your laptops, all that great stuff. So let's move it to the next one. Check this one out. This is a nice kit. 20 piece. It's a multi-tool oscillating blade kit from Milwaukee IA. You're saving 60% on this. Usually this stuff would run you $99.97, but you got all kind of different blades here. 60% off. You're saving $60, $40, and you get that hard case. So that is real nice. And just to let you see this right here, look, $39, 60% off. Again, all links in the description below. This one, I'm still surprised that it's up. It's $20. You're going to get not one, but two Milwaukee IA 25-foot magnetic tape measures. You're basically getting one for free. These are 52% off. At $20, you're getting two. These would run you $41.97 if you were to buy these any other time. So that's a great buy. Again, only $19, you get one for free. The Milwaukee IA Shockwaves. Check this out. You get 120 pieces. This is on sale at 50% off still. $30 worth of savings, $29.88 for this entire kit, and you get the hard case, the hard shell case. Again, check this out. That's real nice, like 120 pieces. That's a smeesh right there on this video. If you could, please. Let me show you a couple more for Milwaukee IA, then we're going to move it along. But the Fastbacks, you're not getting one, you're getting two. Usually these things run $19.99 by themselves. This is a brand new Fastback, came out about a year ago, has the bit extender right there. It's built into the tool. Look at this, $19.97, 36% off. You're getting not one, but two for $20. You're going to get two Fastbacks, and these are absolutely fantastic utility knives. Check those out. That's a great buy. I'm surprised it's still up there. Let's move it to the next tool. This one here, I am actually shocked to see. This is the brand new Milwaukee IA M12 Sander. This is a fantastic sander. It's a brand new tool. We did a video on this. This thing is fantastic. It's brand new, just came out. Not only that, look at this. This is the brand new high output 12.0 bat ray, the 2.5, the charger, the kit. Look what you're getting this thing for. $179. It's already on sale at 29% off. So $179, it would run you $259. This thing went on sale. It's a brand new tool. That, my friends, is real nice like. Now, this is a nice little compact impact driver. 37% off. I bought this myself. I couldn't pass up the deal. You get the two bat rays, you get the charger, you get the bag, and the impact driver. It's a 1/4 inch. It is the brushless atomic compact. So smaller, not as powerful, but it definitely has enough oomph to get pretty much any job you need done. $99, you're getting 37% off. But if I scroll down this page, check this out. You can go 20 volt atomic max input driver kit. You're saving a bunch of money, $189. But this is the one I like right here. If I click on this, this is the 12 volt max. So if you're looking for something even smaller, you got the 12 volt max brushless, $99, saving 33% off. You're getting the two bat rays, the charger, the bag, and the smaller impact drill kit. So that right there, my friends, is real nice like. Now I like this one as well, but there's a couple different ways you can go with this. Now if you just need a DeWalt Saw, it's $100 off right now, 25% off at $299. That's a really good buy for this saw. It's a great saw. I have this saw, but if I were you, I would get the stand for an extra 29 bucks. It's 26% off. Usually it would go $4.49, but for $3.29, you're going to get that sweet saw. You get the slicing and the dicing and using and abusing, but you also get the stand for that saw, which makes a huge difference. You know, if you don't want to be putting this thing up on a table, or if you don't have a big workbench, that saw, you want to make it more portable, this is the route to go. $3.29, 26% off. You're saving pretty good moolah on that. And this is another one I really like from DeWalt. This is 52% off. You're saving $429. So usually this miter saw, it's a double bevel, it's a 12-inch, it's a corded, usually would run you $400 by itself easily, plus some, but you're getting 52% off, you're saving $429. You're getting that sweet stand right there with the DeWalt miter saw. And I'll tell you, this is a really nice professional grade miter saw. I have this as well. Again, for $3.99, you're getting both of these. Not bad at all. Now, again, if you really want that miter saw and you want to go a couple different routes, this is a nice way to go as well. It's the same price, $3.99. You're saving $430, 52% off. But look at this stand you get. This is a real nice mobile stand with the wheels on there. You can move this thing around. Smeesh that like button. Smeesh it. I'll tell you, because I'm getting excited. This is $430 off. You're getting that sweet miter saw stand with the wheels, very mobile, and that 12-inch 15 amp miter saw. It's real nice. Even the Makita gnome himself, that pesky Makita gnome, even he is feeling jolly this early in the season, January, after Christmas. Look at this. I want to show you this. The Plunge circular saw, right? This right here usually will run you $389 by itself. If you go to Home Depot by itself, again, the link's in the description below. You're paying $389 just for the tool only. But if you click on this, you can see right here, you add the cart, you're going to get two, not one, but two 5AH batteries with that purchase. So you're getting 2 free batteries if you buy this tool. The same thing goes for if you're looking for the inflator tool. You're going to get one 2AH battery. You're going to get, for the circular saw, the side one, you're going to get a free 5AH battery. The grinder, free 5AH battery. You scroll down, you get to pick a lot of these different tools, and you're going to get that battery free. 5AH battery. You got the hedge trimmers, free 5AH battery. So Makita giving out the free batteries, that pesky Makita. Now look, 2 with that track saw, that plunge saw. That's real nice, like the recip saw. You're going to get 2 because that's going to run on 2. It's a 36 volt. Look, the chainsaw, you're going to get a free 5AH battery. So anything that's running on 2 batteries, looks like you're going to get 2 batteries for it. And that, my friends, even the impact, $249, you're saving money right here. The miter saw itself, you know, yeah, $729. That's basically what you're gonna. I don't know where they're getting $1,400 from, but that's what that saw runs. You're gonna get 2 free batteries with it. So, saving you some money. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, listen, please, I'm asking you, smash that like button. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you liked that we showed you today. Are you thinking about buying any of these? Anything that you can do interaction-wise, it helps. Shows YouTube that you like these videos, and we'll continue to bring them to you. With that, I got another video for you right there. We'll be back with more videos soon.